In this video, we're going to walk you through how you can fix the issue of no sound on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It helps us out a lot. This issue can be very frustrating, but don't worry, we're going to go through step by step how you can fix this very easily. I'm using Google Chrome right now, but these steps are going to work for most browsers. Firstly, just ensure that your YouTube player is not on mute. This is actually what a normal video would look like right here. In the bottom left of the icon, just to the right of the play button and the little skip video button, there's going to be this volume icon. Just make sure it's not off. There's a chance it might be on mute. You definitely don't want that being the reason before doing the rest of the steps. Up next, you want to go ahead and check to see if your browser tab itself is muted. Go to the top of your browser and right click the YouTube site. If it says mute site or unmute site, that's probably why you're not seeing any audio. If I hit mute site right here, it's going to have this little mute icon here, and that's why I'm not going to be hearing anything. So to unmute it, just right click it and then hit unmute site. And finally, and this is probably the most important one, you're going to want to check your sound mixer. Go to the bottom where this search bar is and go ahead and type in sound mixer. Hit enter and it's going to open up the sound mixer settings. Scroll down to the bottom until you find the specific Chrome section and make sure that the volume is not muted or turned down all the way. If it's turned down all the way, it's still going to show that you have volume here, but you're not going to hear anything from Chrome itself or whatever browser you might be watching YouTube on. So yeah, make sure that that is turned up. It could even be lowered a lot and maybe you just can't hear it. So make sure it's at 100 just to ensure that that's not the problem. But it's as simple as that. One of these issues is probably what's happening for you. If you're still having an issue though, comment down what that issue is and I'll tell you how to fix it down in the comments. Before you leave this video, make sure you leave it a like on it and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. And I hope to see each and every one of you guys real soon. Peace.